Alright, this is our living room ceiling fan, the Haunted Helen Breeze. This time with a custom made light kit. Now, the fan is not gonna stay like this. I just decided to see how it look. Those shades are actually from my lamp. My 5 light lamp. So put them on the fan along the floor. I took the same light kit on it. Go ahead and then put the light. There's with the light on. And I'm going to be showing the fan in all 3 speeds with that light. Okay. It's low. Also, I'm doing this with my iPad as well. It's being recorded by my iPad. Alright, turn the light on. Put the medium. Alright, sure. His medium with the lights on. Enough for her. Hello. Got a little bit of a hum to it. Here's out the light. Now, go ahead and turn it off. Just get the tape off of there. And now it's gonna spin down. Gotta be a fast spin down. Gonna turn on the brightness of my iPad so you can see. But it actually looks like some person. The fan in my room is way faster than this one. It spins down faster than this one though. It's the second longest fan that's been down. We're about to stop. Here we go. And that's the custom lights. It's not really gonna fit like this because it does look cool this way, but it's not as bright as if there's my Christmas tree. Right. But that's it for this fan. Bye.